man. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you, look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
You smoking.
That is all. Who is this madman?
70 years old man.
And where is this madman coming from?
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Le monde part en couille. Non, j'ai du mal à imaginer ça.
Because this case, even not be this man that had this after that year. This man, they don't need to be pitied.
Madman. I said you are a madman.
5 years.
And I mean it, you are a madman. You are a madman? Yeah. You are a madman.